Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do my very first layout for the Mercy Tiara design team, and I'm using this gorgeous kit. It's called Brighter Days. Now, I have the main kit, the paper add-on, and the embellishment kit because I love all of the things. It is just how it is. So I have all kinds of gorgeous things to use, but I wanted to use this photo to start, and there's a bunch of us on here. This is a design team, so I'm like, what kind of feels like it takes care of all those colors? And the first thing I saw was this piece right here. It's from Pink Fresh Studios. It's full color. I love the color story. So I want to cut it out. Absolutely want to cut it out, and I want to sew in between the lines. Now, and I want to scuff it up. So I know I want those things. And then there's this paper here from Paige Evans, page number 10 from Blooming Wild, and I want to plop it on that. That's what I know so far. I know I have this. I have got these stunning little die cut pieces. I have got, oh, but wait, there's more. From Pink Fresh Delightful Collection, I've got cardstock stickers. Y'all, look at this. Black font, and this really great black font on the photo. So guys, I have lots of fun, lots of stuff here. Oh, look at this. I have got the cardboard flare I can add in. I have got enamel dots. I have all the things. But for now, what I think we should do is let me get my trimmer. Let's trim off the branding strip. Oh, wait, guys, wait. Let me get, also, I have the embellishment kit. I had it in another baggie. Guys, the embellishment kit is such a must-have. We have got vellum. I have, but wait. Okay, the vellum is from Pink Fresh Delightful. I have got washi. I've got this great sparkly mix. I have got foamies, chipboard, stickers. We have all of the things. So we have lots of good stuff right here to play with. So I'm going to have fun. I am going to have the fun. But my thoughts were, I wanted to start the designing. Sorry guys, I got excited. I want to start the designing with the papers that are like, not just screaming, they are screeching for me to use them. So, and I absolutely am smitten with all things Paige Evans, so that works. And then this on top of it, pretty, pretty, pretty. So I'm going to rough cut it out and scuff it up. So on kind of the lines in between, and I'll meet you right back. I have a handy dandy heart punch, and I think I want to go ahead and punch out some of these pretty, pretty hearts on here. So it's pretty close. It's not perfect, but it's close. Let's see. Come on. There we go. And I may just do a little color matching because, I mean, they're both Pink Fresh papers, this one and this one. So I think I can have a little bit of fun with that. But here's the issue. You see how I took that pink one? Now the purple one's just a little tiny bit hinky. Not a big deal. We will work it out. It is just so pretty. So I'm going to do a little bit of heart punching. Oh, and I'm going to fussy cut out some of these gorgeous foily flowers. Love it. Oh, and let me show you what I have going on so far. So I told you that I want to get some stitch lines in, which I did, and I have it popped up on a little bit of foam, leaving the little stringy bits going willy-nilly because I like that little bit of a messy look. I still have to map my photo, have to pick which paper gets that treatment, and don't know. I do know, I super know, that I want to use my black alpha for my title because I like how dramatic it is. It's very like bam in your face. Oh, here it is. Come here, little guy. Yeah, totally have to use this alpha because I think it's just perfection. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing with this. I've got these components cut out and I need to get them tacked down because at this point, you know, one little sneeze is going to send this project going like willy-nilly. So I have my title is Design Team, yes please, whoopsie. So I want to get that down. I want to get these pieces down, and then I want to do a little bit of fun with some color matching because I love color matching. I think it is a blast. And you end up using like bits and pieces you may not have planned on using. So I think if I do design team and I do yes please, this thing has to go up, 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 just a bit. Let me get another T-square ruler. I favorite T-square rulers. I can prefer who I want to prefer on this. All right, so we have that. That's totally tacked down. So I'm going to get my design team, and then yes please below it. I think that would be cute, and it'll bring something down this way. And then I want to get all of these pieces on, but of course, dimension, all that kind of stuff is going to happen. Then we will pop on over and start getting all kinds of our embellishments. Now the yes please right here, that's from the embellishment kit. I thought it was perfect, and it's going to go right around the right area into the bluey greeny bits. Okay, phew. Let me get all these pieces down, and we're going to see how pretty it'll look. So guys, I decided that underneath my little yes please, I wanted to have one more of these gorgeous little rose pieces. I'm just bending up some of the little floral bits and making it, not that it's going to be lifelike, because, you know, it's like paper metallic flowers, you know, but wanted to have a little bit more zhuzh. I scuffed it up a little bit, giving it just a little bit of movement. And I also want to make sure it doesn't block the wording. I mean, it can overlap a little bit, but I don't want it to block. And since I've taken this on and off a couple times, let's give it just a little bit more adhesive. I think this is going to be the ticket. Okay, like that. Who knows? Might end up putting something down there. Now I'm going to deal with all of this hubbub that I have and start making some clusters. And like I said, we're going to tuck in some more goodies as we go. So I've got all of my pieces on, and guys, I know it's shining like really bright in the camera. I don't know how to fix that. Like, let's see. Nope, no matter where I go, it's a lot. So over here's not quite as bad. Right there is horrible. Okay. So let's switch sides on the desk a little bit. Now I'm going to go through each of the pieces. This tells the story, you know, pretty much that we're on a design team for 2023. So that's good. Now I'm going to just go through each of the pieces and see what works for pink. See, pink, why not? Do I want it popped up? Yes, I do, because I generally want everything popped up. So, and I'm going to go one by one through the different embellishments and just start layering all of the fun stuff. So I've got this floral here. Figure I can pop that up. See good in all things. That's kind of pretty, but it's more of a hot, hot pink. And I don't know. I mean, I can bring it in. We can have shades of pink. Oh, absolutely. Okay. Love that. Let me get, on my like tripod arm, I keep little Frankenstein pieces all the time. So that's what I was reaching for. So let's go ahead and pop that right here. I think that's a fab. See good in all things. So we are getting even more texture. So we have a couple of the pinks. The good stuff's okay, but I kind of like how that looks. Okay, let's look at yellow. Treasure this moment. It's a little big. Any other yellows? Loving this day. See how that would look over here, because I think it's perfect. Okay, more of this stuff here. So yeah, this is totally what I'm going to do, bit by bit by bit. I just want to, getting scissors. I want to work through the embellishments and get them stacked up and use all of the themes. So I will come back when I'm done with the sticker sheet. Then we will look at I don't have words. Guys, we haven't even looked in here. So we'll look at things bit by bit. So right now it's all of the stickers. Next, I will look at the journal bits, etc., etc. So guys, already, oops, did I slide over again? Already, I love all of these things. So let's see if there's anything in here that works for Pinkland. Because at this point, it has to be kind of smaller. Ooh, that's kind of like a peachy pink, but I love tickets. It's just not going to really add anything. Okay, because things have to add. And if I see some, oh, guys, look at, what if I take this little ticket, because it's tiny, and take a look at this, because I know I want to use this aqua colored one. So we can put that down there. This can come, yep, I like that little pop of color there, that's fine. And I'm looking for all of the other colors at the same time to see if there's anything. There doesn't have to be something in every single one. What does this read? Oh, awesome. Cute. Does it have a spot? Yes, it does. Okay, perfect. And I might scuff it up or something. Didn't really see something that is in the aqua or the greeny color, and that's fine. Oh, guys, what if we go ahead and use, do I have all four still? We have these cute little photo corners. Oh, yes, I have all four, but I think I'm going to pop them up as well. That would be cute. Okay, so I have some things to pop on there. I'll meet you right back here when we look at the chipboard flare. So let's take a look and see what will work. Is there a good pink thing? Ooh, that actually, this piece totally looks like a flare. So we have that. I can do keep growing, or I can do this floral, and I'm kind of feeling like the floral, I need something to have the pink cluster start merging down, and I think that's my ticket. So I have the two. Now let's see. Oh, I can do today, loving this day, and then I can do a little today action right there. And then what do we have for the purplies? Keep growing. I think that's a good one. Or hope. No, I mean, that's not really the situation. I think that this was a fabulous little moment. Nope, can't see it there. I can see it there though. All right, so it's gonna go right there. Perfect. Anything in the greens, be the good. That's kind of a good one because that's one of the things that I am prone to saying. All right, I like it tucked right there, I think. Or, and the reason why, it just seems so lime green. And I don't know if it should be that lime green. No, that's way too close to the design team. So that's going to break up the liminess, be the good. And then what do we have for blue? Love your smile. I think yes, because I did say yes to being on this team. All right, perfect. So totally took care of all kinds of these pieces. Now the enamel dots will be totally at the end. Not going to worry about that yet, even though they're from the main kit. Now let's take a look. I have, guys, look at how many scissors do I need out. Now let's take a look at the embellishment kit. A lot of the embellishment kit is geared a little bit more to the cream side. So I have a little bit of the cream here. I don't mind bringing in a little, but I'm not seeing the right, like this is like super bright and this is this beautiful subdued kind of thing. So I'm gonna put that down. Do we need any, oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. So darned pretty. All right. Oh, guys, I've just found something I want to pop in. So these are chipboard stickers. And this little piece has white. So let me go ahead and get some adhesive there. So I was thinking it might be cute to have the 3 circles. Just like that. Okay. That flower is trying to attack my circle. All right, I have the 3 circles like that. Not the yellow, not the purple, the aqua. Pretty good on the aqua, unless I want to bring this cute little granny plate, like right here, which will attach those two. And then turquoise, no. All right, easy. Let me look. These are really big, but you know what I'm going to concentrate on is these little bits. So next, I wanted to look, guys, look at these sparkly bits. They're so darned pretty. Okay. Next I want to look at these little vellum pieces to see if there's anything in here I can bring in. Come on. Oh, there's butterflies and stuff. That might be good. Do you guys think that their little wingies will stay up? So if I go like that and I go like that, I think they might. All right, let me get a little, yikes, trying not to hurt this thing. I should get one of my smaller tape runners so I don't wound it. Okay, this can totally go, kind of like that bright color. Can go right there. That's perfect. Now we have a purpley one that goes into this kind of greenish color, so that's going to be a win. All right, let me get a little bit of adhesive there. So same thing. I am just going down the row, looking for beautiful, pretty little things that are going to work. So, oh, okay, perfect. I have one that works up here too. I was hoping that I would have different colors of butterflies, at least 3 that are going to work to tell this story. Okay, phew, I'm gonna get this on. I have that. Guys, we can come back and just get some of the foamies and the enamel dots and we'll be done. Right, so let's see what we have in here that will match these little foamies. Are just like the most beautiful little size. And then I sit there trying to faff about, trying to figure out how it'll work. Okay, I can pop that there. Do we have a little, like, single yellow one? Oh, I'm totally going out of order, but I liked that. I found that one. Okay, so we did the pink. You know what I think I want to do? I'm going to switch that one out for this hot pink one because I like these different colors of pink all stacked in together. Oh, I like it even more there. Who knew? Okay, we have a yellow, like just a single yellow. Do you guys see it? Oh gosh. Okay, I don't see a single yellow. We have a single purple. We have a single orange that we're not using. Oh, let me fix that. Go on, sit down. All right. I think like the green is more of a pea green, which I love, but it's not what we're doing. So I think we're good. Now let's work on enamel dots. And I'm just going to sprinkle them willy-nilly. And guys, this is going to end up being done-zo. So I already have something up there. Why don't I pop this one here so we can get the nice shine. We can come in, try to use some of the really big ones because they can be a little harder to use. So why not? That one can go there. See, do you see that little bit of shine we're getting? It's beautiful, just so pretty. Maybe one over here. And then we can finish up with one right down here. And then any other ones we want to add are going to be perfectly gorgeous and beautiful. Just like, so pretty. Okay, guys, I'm going to pop a few more enamel dots on, and that's going to be that. So I'm going to have down below the links for the Facebook group and the website, some still shots to follow. Guys, oh, let me hold it up. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. But how stinking fun. Look at all of that great dimension. I'm loving it. Loving this kit. It is just beautiful. Okay, guys, still shots to follow. See you guys soon. Bye, guys.